Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your own anti-aging and fairness cream at home. This fairness and anti-aging cream is made up of rice and some natural ingredients which you can easily find in your kitchen or in the market. This cream has so many benefits, like it helps in whitening your skin. It removes your fine lines, wrinkles and all aging signs. It will also help in removing your dark spots, pigmentation and will give you a soft, supple and beautiful skin. And the main and the magical ingredient of this skin whitening and anti-aging cream is rice. Rice is rich in vitamin B and it is a powerful antioxidant which boosts collagen production and removes wrinkles and fine lines. Rice has been used as a natural beauty treatment for thousands of years in Japan and Korea. It has helped Japanese women to keep their skin smooth, soft, beautiful and fairer. Rice also helps to hydrate, moisturize, soothe and protect your skin from several skin diseases. It is rich in many nutrients, vitamins and minerals that helps to promote the growth of the cells by slowing down the aging process and increasing the blood flow to the skin, which improves your skin complexion and gives you a fair, glowing, radiant and spotless skin. And to prepare this remedy, you firstly have to take 2 tablespoons white rice in a clean bowl, and then you have to add some water and wash it properly. Now after washing the rice, you have to take a pan or a big bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of water and washed rice in it. And now you have to cook it until it becomes thick and mashy like I'm showing you here. And now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer to take out all the rice water from this cooked rice. And now after straining, you will get a very creamy and a little thick paste like I'm showing you here. And after getting this creamy rice paste, you have to squeeze half lemon in it and then mix it thoroughly so that the lemon juice nicely combines with this rice paste. Now after the lemon, you have to add half teaspoon corn flour in it and then again mix everything really well so that there are no lumps in this paste and it becomes more creamy and thicker. And if you don't have corn flour, then you can even use maida or licorice powder, which is also known as muleti powder, instead of corn flour. This mixing process will take some time, but when it's done, it will look like this. And now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the vitamin E oil. And you just have to add half teaspoon vitamin E oil in it. And then you have to mix everything really well to combine all the ingredients together. And please don't add all the ingredients at one time and then start mixing, because if you will do that way, then there will be lumps in your paste and you don't want that. So please add the ingredients one by one and mix them nicely. And now after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin whitening and anti-aging rice cream is ready and it will look like this. And now I'm just transferring this cream into this small container, and you can store this cream in an airtight container in refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days. So now the procedure to use this cream is very simple. You just have to apply a sufficient quantity of this cream on your face and neck and start massaging in circular motion for few seconds. And you can use this cream as a day cream, night cream or even under your makeup for that flawless skin. But if you want best results out of this cream, then you have to use it twice a day, once in the morning and the other in the night. And after massaging for few minutes, it will completely absorb into your skin and you will not feel anything on your skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.